So in accordance with Mom's repetition style videos, we're going to learn about farm animals today. Yay! So the first animal we're going to look at is the horse.
Close up.
Horse.
You gotta show me the horse.
Horse. Oh yeah, right. Horse.
Rotate the horse. Yeah.
Oh, look at the nice mane of the horse. And it goes, horsey, Sam. Oh, because the sheep. And it goes, bah, bah, please shear my wool. Sam, sheep. Sheep. Sam, sheep. Next is the goat, which likes to ram. Kunk, kunk, kunk. Goat. I'm not sure what sound they make. Sam, look at the goat.
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 Look at the goat.
Ah.
Goat.
Goat.
That's a goat.
Goat, Sam. Goat. A duck. I guess it'll be duck. Sam, duck. I think it's a duck. It could be a goose. We'll say it's a duck. And it goes quack, 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 quack. Duck. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Oh.
Ooh, duck.
It has a little bill and some webbed feet. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Next is the pig.
Whose favorite animal is the pig?
Pig.
To eat.
It likes to roll in its slop. And Dad's coughing from oinking. The pig.
That's a pig sound.
This is where bacon comes from. The best food in the world. Pig. Last but not least, the famous cow. Cow, exactly, Sam. Cow.
Where does milk come from?
Milk comes from a cow, Sam. Cow. One of the dumbest animals in the world, but delicious. Cow. Animal, this is the rooster. Sammy, this one goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Right, Sam? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Look how colorful it is. This is a colorful rooster. Rooster. Okay. Animals we learned about today. We have a
That's a
sheep. And this is the cow. Here is the horse. And this is the rooster.
what sound?
Cock-a-doodle-doo. And here is the pig. And here is the duck. Quack, quack, quack. And finally, this is the goat. Clunk, clunk, clunk. Goat.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Sam. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for learning.
Thanks for learning.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now. Are you giving me cues?